Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Taiko no Tatsujin on Android. First, head to the Google Play Store and search for the official Taiko no Tatsujin game. Make sure your device runs a compatible Android version and has enough storage, usually about 500 MB to 1 GB. Once downloaded, open the app to begin the initial setup process. This ensures a smooth and enjoyable rhythm game experience right from the start. Now let's dive into the basic gameplay. You'll see two main types of notes, red dawn notes and blue ka notes. To hit a red dawn note, tap the center of the drum. For a blue ka note, tap the edges. Timing is crucial for building combos and achieving high scores. Practice hitting these notes accurately to master the rhythm and enjoy the vibrant music. It's all about feeling the beat. Ready to level up your drumming? Taiko no Tatsujin features several advanced note types. Large notes, for instance, require you to tap with 2 fingers at the same time for extra points. For drum roll notes, tap as quickly as you can until the note finishes. And don't forget balloon notes. These need many rapid taps to pop them before they disappear. Mastering these will significantly boost your score. To enhance your experience, explore the game's customization options. You can adjust note speed and timing settings to match your personal preference, making gameplay more comfortable. Don't be afraid to try various songs and difficulty levels to challenge yourself and improve. For even greater precision, some players find using a stylus helpful. Experiment to find what works best for you and have fun drumming.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.